What if I told you there is a formula for getting rich that doesn't require investment, doesn't require education, and doesn't necessarily require the level of effort it takes to go to work each day? Obviously, the harder you work, the quicker and faster you will get there. However, hard work is not a prerequisite. What if I told you that the secret has been used for well over 100 years and has brought untold riches to thousands of people? Having tested these secret techniques myself, taking me from $0 to $1 million in 12 months, I have proven them to work. You don't have to use this secret to success to make money though. You can apply this to any part of life. Finding love, strengthening your health, fitness, family, helping others, anything at all. By the way, this is not a get-rich-quick scam, nor a pyramid scheme telling you to make a video instructing people how to make money online. No, this is a real secret used by some of the richest people on the planet. The secret may come to you in a couple of videos. It may come after a few months. If it doesn't, simply watch the videos again, or better still, watch each video at least twice. Then go away and think about it to let the concept solidify and the ideas form. When you feel you have a good grasp of each concept, move on to the next. This teaching uses reinforcement learning, so make sure to watch all of the videos in the series and repeat anything as many times as you need to. I will be supporting the secret and techniques I publish on this channel with real-life examples. I hope they will inspire you and help the secret to sink in, for you to use yourself and help guide success in all aspects of your own life. This secret and training I offer you is free of charge, so please hit the like button to show you want to know more, and subscribe so you know when a new video drops. If you're ready, take a deep breath, clear your mind and your preconceptions of what is and is not possible, and let's begin our journey together.